Hi guys. I'm back with another video. The hot topic for the past 2 days is the launch of Huawei Band 6 in India. This band will go on sale from 12th July in India, via Amazon. Customers will get a Huawei mini speaker if they purchase the band between 12 and 14 July. And with this band, we can check our heart rate, SpO2 levels, as well as stress, and also has special features for women's health tracking. It has 96 workout modes, considering our health. And this will be a bonus feature for gym freaks. Let's look into price and availability. This band costs 4,490 rupees from July 12th in India, and will get a speaker worth 2,000 for free when you purchase in 2 days. Amazon has also created a microsite for this Band 6. The wearable band is available in 4 different colors. And this model was already released in Malaysia in April. Next, the specifications. This band has a 1.47-inch color display, with a 64% screen-to-body ratio, and 282p pixel density. It also has 42% more screen-to-body ratio that will provide more workout data to us. The battery can withstand up to 10 days with heavy usage, and the list goes on. Let's look at some of its additional features. This wearable comes with a menstrual cycle tracking feature. It has heart rate monitoring and stress monitoring facilities. And as I said earlier, it has 96 workout modes including running, cycling, and more. Last, and most important, people who are watching, don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button. And if you need any specific tech information, do comment below, so that it will be added in the future list of my videos. And do follow us on Instagram, and a link is in the description. That's the video guys, and thanks for watching.